Hi, I'm Paulo, and this video is a chatbot tutorial for lead generation. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, it's all about earning money online. I show how to use platforms, monetize it, and scale the earnings to a full-time income. A bit about me, I used to be in the BPO industry, but then I wanted location and more time freedom, so I became a virtual assistant. But I also wanted financial freedom and more time freedom, and if you're a virtual assistant or still an employee or just trying to earn on the side, you'll never obtain financial freedom, but it's a good stepping stone. So the good thing about being a virtual assistant is you discover the platforms used for businesses, so I started learning more about those and began my research and self-study as much as I can and whenever I can. So now, I'm an entrepreneur and a business consultant, and I'm here to share what I know, especially the concept when it comes to scaling the income in the simplest and easiest way possible. So if that's your jam, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button as I'll be posting videos regularly because I just have so much to share. Let's go ahead and jump right into the content. So a chatbot is an auto-responding tool commonly used on Messenger. Its purpose is to automatically respond to people's messages or inquiries. It's placed on Facebook pages and websites. So let's go to the Facebook page. So I had an inquiry yesterday. The inquiry is on chatbots. How can it be set up on a Facebook page? So for Facebook, it doesn't have an embedded a chatbot rather. So what happens is you can set up an auto response when somebody sends a message, but it's just one response. You cannot do it sequentially. All right. Let me show you how to set up the autoresponder on your Facebook page. So you go to settings, you go to messaging, then you go down to the bottom. It would be this one. So show a messenger greeting. So if somebody sends you a message on your Facebook page, you can customize or configure the message that you want as a response to whoever sends messages you. Okay, you can also go here to response assistant, go to automated responses. But then again, this is not a chatbot. Okay, so this is more of just an automated response or an autoresponder for the Facebook page itself. That's it, because it will just send a response, just one response. Unlike with a chatbot, that responds to multiple messages. So for if you need a chatbot, you will need a platform for it. So one of the some of the platforms would be ManyChat, and there's many more. Popularly, ManyChat. You can also use the platform I use, which is called Builderall. For this one, let me just show you where to go to. So this is the platform. I use Builderall because it can do more. ManyChat is specifically for chatbots only. Builderall, the chatbot is just one of the features. Okay, and I just pay $49 monthly for it. With the $49, I can build websites. I have an autoresponder for email marketing. I can build sales funnels. So there's many more to it. So for the chatbot, all I have to do is go to the apps, Facebook Chatbot. And here it is. This is where I configure everything. So I can set the chatbot. It does say Facebook chatbot because the chatbot will be routed to the messenger. It will be linked to the messenger. But this can be put on a Facebook page or a website like this one. This is one of my teammates' websites. So anyway, here, if you see this messenger icon or on any website, it means that it has a chatbot. So it's like this one. Okay. See, continue as Paulo. If I click on this, it's as good as me messaging her on her Facebook Messenger. Okay, so it's linked to that. So that's how it works. Now for this one, what I did was I linked the Facebook chatbot to my Facebook page, which is this. So what I can do is I can configure everything from each post. The response, let's say for example somebody comments on a post on my Facebook page, I can set up an autoresponder to that. All right, and I can also set up multiple messages even if somebody sends me a message. Okay, so again, if somebody sends me a message and if somebody comments on any of my posts, the chatbot, I can configure the chatbot to respond to those comments and messages. And not only to one comment or not only to one message rather, but if the person responds to the initial message that I set up, I can configure the chatbot to respond to the second message, to the third, and so on. So again, for Facebook pages, it doesn't have the chatbot capability. What it can do is, let's go again to settings. Let's go to messaging. It can only respond to the initial message when somebody sends you a message, but you cannot configure it if somebody comments and you want a chatbot to respond to it. You will need a platform for that. And same with if somebody sends you a message and you want a sequence of messages to respond to the person who messaged, you will also need a platform for that. Again, I use Builderall, which is this. If you want to try the platform, link will be on the description for this video. I can give you there's a link there for free access. Okay, you can try everything, play around it. So it's a good platform, and if you decide to upgrade, you'll have access to my private Facebook group for support. Okay, and the digital marketing course. Now, what is the purpose of a chatbot? So for chatbot, it's used for lead generation. Because there are some customers or clients that prefer real-time responses or real-time information. For email marketing, the difference is with emails, email sequences are sent on a daily basis, but of course to respond to it, it's not as fast as responding to chatbots. That's why chatbots are very good autoresponders and a very productive lead generation tool. A lot of people, well, same with me, of course, produce leads and I do grow my subscribers and clients by using a chatbot. So if you want to go for lead generation, it has to be, of course, email marketing and chatbot. As of now, chatbot has been a trend because it produces very tremendous results. That's why a lot of people have been using it, or entrepreneurs rather, have been using it. So again, for the chatbot, you got the Facebook page. It's always for the chatbot. It's always routed to the Messenger app. So for the Facebook page, no, it's not it doesn't have a chatbot feature. You'll need a platform if you want sequential messages. But if you just want somebody to respond to a message to a message when somebody messages you on your Facebook page. You just go to settings, messaging, down to the bottom, response assistant, or just here. You have to change this. You can configure it. That's it. But other than that, if you want sequential messages, you'll need a platform for that. So that's about it for this video. If you have any questions or you would like to know more, comment below or message me on my Facebook page, or might as well join my Facebook group wherein I do weekly live streams. And if you want a one-on-one consultation call with me, if you're a freelancer or a digital marketer, you can ask me anything about those. So that's about it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's go.